Hey, this is Mary from Kamaj Fiber Arts, and I'm going to talk about Module 8 in the Spinning and Fiber Extravaganza workshop, which is coming up on August 1st. I wanted to kind of give you a heads up so you could sort of get your wools together and your items together that you're going to need for this module. I will be having some sample packs only for the students, and I will put out an email when those are ready. So when we do this study, it could be called a breed study, but I think I want to call it a grade study because we're going to be looking at sheep grades: fine grade, medium grade, coarse grade, and then we're also going to do the dual coats or the primitive breeds. Because every sheep breed, there's over 200 in the world, so I can't do every breed, but every breed falls into a category of grades. So once you know the grades and once you know how to scour and what the prepping is for it, we're also going to look at crimp and then how to spin to the crimp for the best outcome for your yarn. So if you're not a student already, sign up for the year-long workshop, start from Module 1, Lesson 1, and work your way through at your pace. I'll see you in the workshop.